Torrential Slide is a mid-position digital money as of now evaluated at $32.71 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $11,963,700 win 556 in an unobtrusive manner. Over the by and large past really couple of years, digital currencies, including Torrential Slide, laid out a kind of solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and in every practical sense are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, in an unpretentious way. A few institutional financial backers even especially consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unpretentious way. Retail financial backers and merchants by and large are truly keen on digital currencies, exceptionally, for example, Avax in light of the fact that this truly is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the by and large potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally kind of brief timeframe, or so they especially thought. These profits basically are especially impossible in certainly different business sectors, which essentially is the justification for why undoubtedly moderate financial backers sort of are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Torrential Slide. While the groundbreaking ones fundamentally give a huge piece of their really money to this quickly creating resource class in an unobtrusive manner. At this especially specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Torrential Slide to the level at $32. As currently referenced, Avax generally is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 10th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the metric that not entirely settled by duplicating the extremely current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. On account of Torrential Slide, the market capitalization in every practical sense remains at $11,963,700 win 556. The significance of this boundary will in a real sense be fundamentally made sense of later, exhibiting how over the genuinely past, especially couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Torrential Slide, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and explicitly are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which in every practical sense is very critical. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in sort of such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to generally give our supporters the most reliable data on the very present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently truly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and sort of choose whether or not it for the most part needs to really be reconfigured. Which shows that as currently referenced, Avax explicitly is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 10th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the very metric that for the most still up in the air by duplicating the genuinely current cost by the market capitalization of the advanced resource in an unpretentious manner. Our calculation additionally really focuses on verifiable information, which especially is truly imperative for the in every practical sense right assessment of both kind of current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its certainly present and future course, which basically is genuinely huge. Beneath you will fundamentally find commonly key portions of this authentic information, so you also could generally have a comprehension of where the Torrential Slide market sort of is going. Yesterday, on December 8, Avax truly was esteemed at $26.29 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. All things considered, recollect that digital currencies for the most part are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unpretentious manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period by and large added up to 20.35%, exhibiting that our cost forecast calculation truly is planned so that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to really give our supporters the most reliable data on the fundamentally present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently in a real sense evaluate the condition of their portfolio and in a real sense choose whether or not it basically has to sort of be reconfigured. Which shows that as currently referenced, Avax especially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 10th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the truly metric that's still up in the air by duplicating the truly current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on December 2, Torrential Slide was exchanged at $21.85 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that basically near its exceptionally present position, which essentially is very huge. On November 9, which basically was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Avax at $13.03, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 151.06% from where it presently stands, or so they sort of thought. The cost of Avax and the readings of CVIX are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which explicitly is very huge. Market capitalization really is another significant certainly metric that assists merchants with deciding the prevalence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which essentially is very critical. It's likewise used to fundamentally survey the offer that torrential slide certainly holds inside the whole digital money market in a sort of significant manner. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization in a real sense is somewhat straightforward. The circling supply of the money being referred to explicitly is duplicated by its truly current cost. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Avax for the most part remains at $11,963,700 win 556, enough to name it the 10th in every practical sense, biggest coin in the digital money market, so beneath you will find key selections of this authentic information, with the goal that you also could in every way that really matters have a comprehension of where the torrential slide market generally is going, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Yesterday, on December 8, the market capitalization of torrential slide basically remained at $9,616,647 win 143, which in a real sense is very critical. 7 days prior, on December 2, the capitalization of Avax by and large was $7,979,065,942, which generally is genuinely huge. A month prior, on November 9, how much capital streaming around this very specific market generally added up to $4,629,578 win 196. Most cryptographic money financial backers explicitly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an exceptionally certain digital currency and its capacity to basically endure disturbances, which really are the normal event on this profoundly unstable market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The sort of greatest stock of torrential slide is 720,000,000 Avax. The kind of absolute stock of Avax right now in every way that really matters remains at 433,812,936 coins, showing how the equation for the computation of market capitalization basically is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the money being referred to by and large is duplicated by its certainly current cost. Or so they generally thought. The circling supply of the digital money under survey basically is 365,780,026 Avax, or so they thought. This torrential slide cost expectation wouldn't explicitly be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the by and large measurement utilized by basically all digital